Hello students, welcome to Science Academy. In this class, we will continue with the chapter Real Numbers. In the previous videos, we have seen some 3 or 4 problems on real numbers. In this class, we will continue with the problems itself. The problem is, using Euclid's division lemma, show that square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1, where m is some integer. Now let us see the solution. We have already seen Euclid's division lemma. It is given by a equals to bq plus r, where a is any positive integer. Here we are taking the value of b as 3 because we have to show that square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So we are taking the value of b as 3, and q, r are non-negative integers such that 0 less than or equal to or less than b. Remainder should be greater than or equal to 0 but less than b. It means remainder can take the value 0, 1 or 2. So now as b equal to 3, r equal to 0 or 1 or 2. Accordingly, a can be written as 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. When remainder is 0 and b is 3, remainder is 0, b is 3, we can write 3q plus 0. 3q plus 0 is 3q. When remainder is 1, b is 3, we can write as 3q plus 1. When remainder is 2, b is 3, we can write as 3q plus 2. So a can be written as 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. We have to prove the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. So let us consider the 3 cases separately when a equals to 3q. Now we'll take a square because we have to prove for square of any positive integer. We'll take a square. A square is 3q whole square. 3 square is 9. Q square is q square. So we get 3q whole square as 9q square. In this 9q square, I'll take 3 common. If I take 3 common, inside I get 3q square. 3 into 3 is 9 again. Now this 3q square, we take it as m. Finally what we get is 3m, where m is 3q square. M is 3q square and m is some integer. Now the second case is when a equals to 3q plus 1. We have to prove for square of positive integer. So we'll take a square. A square is 3q plus 1 whole square. We use the formula a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is nothing but 3q, b is nothing but 1. So a square is 3q whole square. 3q whole square is 9q square. 3 square is 9 and q square plus 2ab. 2 into a into b. 2 into 3q into 1. 2 into 3q is 6q and into 1 is 6q itself. 2ab is 6q plus b square plus b is nothing but 1 here. 1 square. 1 square is 1. In the first two terms, 3 is common. So we take 3 common in the first two terms. Inside the bracket we get, if I take 3 common, I get 3q square. 3 into 3 is 9. 9q square we get as it is. Now the second term we get plus 2q. We can see 3 into 2q is nothing but 6q. So if I take 3 common, inside bracket I get 3q square plus 2q plus this one outside as it is. Plus 1 outside as it is. Now this 3q square plus 2q, we take it as m. Any integer. M is some integer. We are taking that as 3q square plus 2q. So what we get? 3m plus 1. So for the second case, we got the a square as 3m plus 1, where m is 3q square plus 2q. Now the third case is when a equals to 3q plus 2. Take a square. A square is 3q plus 2 whole square. We use the formula a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is nothing but 3q, b is nothing but 2. So a square is 3q whole square. 3q whole square is 9q square plus 2ab. 2 into 3q into 2. 2 into 3q, 6q into 2 is 12q. We get 12q plus b square. B square is 2 square. 2 square is 4. This 4 we can write as 3 plus 1. We are writing 4 as 3 plus 1 because we have to take 3 common. So we are writing 4 as 3 plus 1. Now in the first 3 terms, all of them are multiples of 3. So in the first 3 terms, we are taking 3 common. So if I take 3 common, inside I get 3q square plus 4q plus 1. 3 into 3q square is 9q square. 3 into 4q is 12q. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1 outside as it is. This the term in the bracket we are taking it as m, that is 3q square plus 4q plus 1, we take it as m. Now we get 3m plus 1. So the third case also, the square of any positive integer we are getting in the form 3m plus 1, where m is some integer and m is taken as 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So we have seen in the first case a square we got in the form 3m. In the second case a square we got in the form 3m plus 1. In the third case also a square we got in the form 3m plus 1 itself. So square of any positive integer can be written in the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Thank you students for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos and click the bell icon for notification.